Hello everybody, today I want to share you tutorial about how to setting your OBS with NVIDIA graphic card. Because sometimes with NVIDIA, when we use OBS, the capture from your display cannot appear. So at here with OBS you must setting menu at the NVIDIA. I will show you. Okay, open your NVIDIA first. Okay, still loading. Yeah, and then at the menu manage 3D setting and global setting. Yeah, at this drop down you must choose integrated graphic. Okay, choose first and then at the menu program setting. Yeah, here there menu to add your OBS application, so you must choose add. Yeah, add here their application OBS 64.exe you must choose. But I'm already add this application, so I don't need to add again. I'm just want to show you, so I'm cancel it. Okay, if you already add, you can apply and close your NVIDIA control panel. Wait. Okay, right now your OBS it's working now. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for your attention and see you for the next video. Bye bye. Hello everyone, if you are new at my channel, don't forget to like, comment, share, tag and subscribe. Okay, thanks.